YouTube. This is Kim Birchfield. I thought I would come on and do a quick room tour. So yeah, we'll jump right into it. This mirror that you're seeing me in is a mirror that I picked up at Walmart for about 50 bucks. It's a full-length mirror. I got this purse also at Walmart, which hangs here. This is my daily driver purse. To my right, I've got my closet doors. And further to the right, I've got a dress that I like how it looks, and it hangs there. I like this dress because it's got kind of a bohemian flair with the color and pattern. Off the door, I've got a metal over-the-door hook rack which holds two coats. My two summer coats, which are a denim jacket and raincoat. To the right of that, I've got my thermometer, which I use to monitor the weather. And just to the right of that, I've got two hats. One of my newest hats for summer, and another hat also for summer. And here I've got my dresser with a large mirror that I've had for several years. And on the dresser I've got my thrifted vintage 60s lamp along with my Amazon Echo and two pictures of myself and the person I have a pretty serious crush on. I've got a glass bowl, which is mostly decorative, but I can throw things in there. And just to the right of that, I've got my essential oil diffuser, which is a real workhorse and I absolutely love. Below that, I've got my actual dresser, which we're not going to go into in this video, but I did DIY this and the mirror. I spray painted it pink and white, and I picked this up for free at an apartment building I used to live at. The previous tenants abandoned it. To the right of that, I've got a small table with a fan, alarm clock, and one of my favorite film cameras on it. The table I also DIY'd. I spray painted. Up here hangs some of my favorite jewelry for quick access. I've got my butterfly pendant on now, so it's not there. And just to the right of that, I've got my clothes rack. The rack I got at Shopko before it closed. And this is where I come every morning to get dressed, to pick out my outfit. And below that, I've got my shoe rack, which holds some but not all of my shoes. And here is my window looking out. Sorry about the exposure. Not much of a view, but it's there. The curtains I got at Family Dollar, purple in color. And here, I got these from a friend of mine. They're original 1950s prom dresses. So this is what they wore back in the day. I'm kind of happy to have these. And thing is, they do fit me. If I should ever have a dance or something to go to. I've got, from the same friend, gave me this steel guitar and other friends and family gave me the 2 stuffed animals. The Pokemon came from one, and the teddy bear, I think, came from my grandparents. Alright, up above my bed, I've got some of my favorite purses hanging, which I think is a cool decorative touch. And just below that, I've got a pallet headboard. I thrifted the 2 pallets, or rescued the 2 pallets from Shopco, which is where I worked. The bed itself came from a friend of mine. The bedspread came from Shopco, minus the pink pillow, which came from Family Dollar. And the throw on the corner came from a friend. So, yeah. I also decided to run some Christmas lights through the pallets. I think it gives nice ambiance to the room. So, I thank you guys for watching. Real quick, I'll show off my outfit. I've got a halter top shirt, which I picked up at Family Dollar, and some skinny jeans from Walmart, and a pair of sandals from Maurice's. So yeah, that's a room tour, a quick room tour, and a quick look at my outfit for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And we'll see you next video. Thank you.